Welcome to the TC39 operations video. This particular TC39 is equipped with the optional side shovel and optional wheel lift, so we'll briefly show you how to use those components first. The side shovel is a power out style, so when I lift the lever inward, it'll go in, push the lever downward, it'll power back out. Side shovel operation beyond that is pretty standard. When using the wheel lift, set the wheel in the cradle, press down to go up to go down. It's very intuitive when you use it. Before you put the wheel on the platen, adjust it to the type of wheel you have. The low position, like we see here, is great for reverse wheels. The high position is best for really deep offset wheels, and the middle position is optimized for most wheels and tires. Our tire changer has a drive pin used for fitting into the lug hole. Center your wheel over the center of the platen so you can see the hole in there. We'll take our quick clamping shaft, insert it through that hole, turn 90 degrees clockwise, and then bring our quick nut tight. You don't have to go super tight because this has a cam plate which will tighten as you rotate. Now we've got the wheel clamped. Here, after this, most of the operation will take place in this one position. The button controls here on the right side control the upper or right roller. The button controls on the left side control the bottom roller, and the ones in the thumb position control the mount head. I will bring my upper roller down. Adjust it to the wheel diameter, and this will adjust both my upper and lower roller. From my pendant, I'm going to bring my lower roller up, indent using the button, and loosen my beads. Same with the top. Bring the roller down, push the button to indent, and loosen the bead. Always good to use lubrication, especially on high performance wheels and tires. Next, we'll bring the mount head into position. You'll grab the handle, push the button to unlock it, and lower with this thumb control here. Go ahead and set your head at the diameter of the wheel and basically the height. Insert your head into the tire and wheel. Bring your TPMS roughly near the mount head and then raise up. Don't pass the TPMS past the mount head or you could damage the TPMS. If you'd like, you can use the lower roller to press a little bit on the bottom bead. This is especially helpful for performance tires. Then rotate clockwise. This is a variable speed motor, so you can go quite slow when there's a lot of tension on the tire and then speed up when you want to go faster. Go ahead and raise your mount heads out of the way. Line your TPMS up with the bottom roller. Bring that bottom roller up, holding the tire on the opposite side. Once you see the roller crest, hit the indentation button and roll that bottom bead off. Flicking back on the control will automatically lower the roller. Position our sensor. Bring the mount head down to the rim edge again. And proceed with mounting the bottom bead. For top bead mounting, we'll use all of the aids that are available to us for this example. That means a press arm. This press arm will start to guide the tire into the drop center. That roller will guide the tire into the drop center as well. You would want to make sure that you keep the tire up over the mount head, on the left and under on the right, as is standard tire changer practice. And then if you need to, use the variable speed to walk it around slowly. Bring your mount head up and out of the way. Like all dual bead loosening rollers, the TC39 is also capable of match mounting. Simply break the bottom bead. And the top bead. Put some lube on the tire and wheel. And adjust the rollers as necessary. Inflation. Standard inflation is a inflator with the pedal on their left pedal. If you need to, blast inflation is available. You would want to hold that blast inflation parallel with the tire and blast that tire inflated, okay? Unclamping is the opposite of clamping, counterclockwise. And the same with the wheel lift.